Location of the study area. According to the municipality's website, the name Lourinhã comes from a Roman village. In his book, Etnographia Portuguesa, Leite de Vasconcelos suggests it derives from the Latin name Laurinius or Laurinus, a personal name or nickname, combined with the suffix unum, meaning agrarian area, which would have resulted in Laurinianum, translating to herdate or Casal do Lourinhã. However, the portal, History of the City of Lourinhã indicates that the name comes from the Latin laureus, which means laurel. This plant is indeed represented in the heraldry of the settlement, as can be observed. It is also depicted on the medieval coat of arms of the Church of Santa Maria do Castelo. The municipality of Lourinhã is part of the district of Lisbon. It is bordered to the north by the municipalities of Peniche and Óbidos, to the south by the municipality of Torres Vedras, to the east by the municipalities of Bombaral and Cadaval, and to the west by the Atlantic Ocean. With an area of 146 square kilometers, it is 63 kilometers north of Lisbon, allowing its inclusion in the Lisbon and Tagus Valley region, Extremadura littoral. Potentialities and main activities of the region. The main economic activities of the region are agriculture, fishing, trade, agribusiness, construction, and, increasingly, tourism, due to its geographical location and climate, with a coastline of about 13 kilometers. The museum, which preserves traces of the early human presence, as well as the Dino Park, a thematic site that conserves specimens of dinosaurs, are other distinctive features of the region. Lourinhã lime kiln route. The lime was extracted from the Pedra do Sino Massif, located between Ventosa and Ribamar. It was of high quality, especially in terms of strength and durability. In fact, the quality of the final product in terms of appearance depended on the type of lime used when applying the lime layer to burn the wall, which is why it was the most sought after. There was also extraction in São Bartolomeu, which, despite being of lower quality, offset the effects of the high cost of labor. This labor was much more used for provisions, that is, reserve. Also, to meet the demand, the material was still extracted from the Pataias region. Although the low quality of the product should be considered, it was of paramount importance for agriculture. Regardless of the location, lime was obtained through immense physical effort. Human strength, manual, using tools such as sledgehammers, was initially used, followed by pure mechanical force. Later, holes were drilled with a drill, into which wires and gunpowder were placed, causing it to explode, breaking up the larger stone. Once extracted, the limestone rocks were taken to the kiln, another moment that also required a lot of physical effort, until they were reduced to powder. To better promote the flames inside the kiln, straw was used, a highly flammable material with low costs, as can be noted. With the placement in the kiln, the next process was burning to reduce the stones to powder. Indeed, it was also a costly process, considering the temperature, as can also be observed. Preservation and community participation, society and educational institutions, and its media impact. Preserving current knowledge is necessary, a legacy for future generations and of significant interest for tourism. In addition to its physical reach, museum, the Internet makes it possible to appreciate a wealth of information from various sources. They provide a broad perspective, helping researchers and the community to have extensive knowledge about the region's history, and can be a motivating factor in preserving existing material. However, there is an urgent need to enhance these profiles further to provide better knowledge to visitors.